Newton's first law, law of inertia. Inertia. An object at rest tends to stay at rest in the same direction and at the same speed unless acted upon by an outside force. One example of this can be represented through basketball. How does Newton's first law relate to basketball? The basketball is the object in motion. The basketball will remain flying through the air at the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an outside force. Newton's second law, law of force and acceleration. Newton's second law states that force equals its mass times its acceleration. This can be represented through an equation, F equals ma. Force equals mass times acceleration. Let's say you have two basketballs. Basketball A has less mass than basketball B. You throw both basketballs across the room with an equal amount of force. What do you think happened? Why? Basketball A had more acceleration than basketball B because as the mass of an object increases, the acceleration decreases. The more mass the ball has, the more force is needed. Newton's third law, law of action-reaction. Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. For example, you hit the basketball up. What is the action? What is the reaction? The action is hitting the ball up, and the reaction is the ball falls down at an equal distance. What we learned: law of inertia, law of acceleration, law of action, reaction, and how these laws relate to everyday actions, such as playing basketball.